Hey, I'm Sophia from Filently, and in this video I'll show you how to set up your naming in filing conventions. The easiest way to get started is to let Filently learn from your existing files. Just turn on this toggle. Filently will then scan all your documents in Google Drive and detect current patterns on your file naming, but also on your folder structure. So if your folder structure is already consistent, you don't have to configure anything manually. If you prefer full control, you can set it up yourself. You can choose the format, for example, the date, where the element is placed, or the separators, or the capitalization. Down here you can see the preview of your new file name. Additionally, you can use our custom filing instructions. If you have any specific rules Filently should learn about, you can just place it in here. You can either tell Filently how to name your files or also how to file it in your given folder structure. Set it up once and Filently handles the rest. Try it for free at filently.com.